really great, but, you know, talking toys, has this been done? And is it going to...
The National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near-shore and open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake Ohio until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles north of Cleveland to 11 nautical miles west of Willow Wick, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harbor.
Find your local trusted expert.